It's a big, frosty snowland of snow. It's a lot cooler, but you can't see the snow in the stupid camera. Whew. Never before we had snow until now. Okay, that's a lie, but you know, in my lifetime, we have never had snow such as this. It's a beaut. Gloves. Very thin. Unprotected. Whew. I got snow on my things. Maybe. Like snow?
Like snow?
Oh.
Yeah, I do.